Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I will show you how to calculate uh, descriptive statistics using the Microsoft Excel. So here is a data set. It's all about, this data set is about housing price. Say for example, this is the price value, right? So it's maybe the square feet of the flat, number of bedroom, price, number of bathroom, how many stories, blah blah blah, right? And this is the furnishing status. I mean, one, it means fully furnished, two, it means semi-furnished, and three, it means unfurnished flat, right? So based on this category, actually the price has been fixed. But in this lecture, I will only show you the descriptive statistics, right? So how we can do it? So for example, we will go to the data, and here you will find the data analysis, right? So just click here, the data analysis, you will find the statistical function is in here. By the way, there is another options. I mean, if you sometimes if you don't see this option is disabled, in that case you need to go to file and then options, right? And after going to the options, go to the add-ins, and please fix here Excel add-ins. So go, right? So you will see the analysis tool pack, VBA, and Excel solver, and here you also can click the X analysis tool pack, right? So after clicking here, okay, you will get this option, otherwise you will not get this option, right? So somehow or sometimes if you see this option is not enabled, so please enable this option first and then try to do it. Okay, so once again, go to data analysis. Here you will see the option descriptive statistics, right? So select the descriptive statistics and click OK. So here Excel is asking you the input range. So I'm selecting this one, the input range. Okay, and here the first cell or first line is a label. So please click here, label in the first row. Otherwise, it will not calculate, right? There are lots of options are in here. Output range, or I mean, you can select the output range from here, but I would like to see the result in a new worksheet, right? And I can click here, summary statistics, right? So if you would like to calculate the confidence interval, you can, right? But right now I'm just doing this, and click OK. So surprisingly or interestingly, you are find this the descriptive statistics. So this is the price, how can I say, price variable. So mean of price variable is this one, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, right? It's a very big actually. So kurtosis, skewness, right? And range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count. I mean in count, in total there are 545 ifs of data, right? So you can go here, you can do this for any other variables, right? So if I do for all the variables, say for example analysis, descriptive statistics, right? Just select all the variables. Okay, all the variables here, the label, summary statistics. Okay, just click OK. You will find all the variables. Oh my god. You can find it, all the variables, descriptive statistics. If it's quite difficult, right, you can delete this one each and every time it's appearing, right? So you need to rearrange. Say for example, if I rearrange like this, right, okay, Control C, and if I transpose this data, for example like this is the transpose the data, right? And deleting this part, okay, delete, and after that you can delete this one, eat this, right? Okay, delete, up, okay. Right now I can delete this one, And finally this one. Okay, delete. And right now it's quite fine, right? Okay, you also can delete it. I mean, I'm just doing this one is because of presentation purpose, right? You cannot present your findings in a very raw way or in an unfurnished way, right? So right now you can present your data somewhere. Okay, so in this way actually you can do the descriptive statistics, right? In the next video I will try to show some other analysis, I mean statistical function. All right, okay, up to that, just keep me in your prayer. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.